Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to the judges, teachers, and peers. My name is Nur Marisa Umaira binti Muhammad Nazir. I am 5 years old. I am from Tajika Integrasi Jenis Khalifah Jalan Kerat. Today, I would like to present a poem titled My Flower. I had a little seed and I put it in a pot. I put it in the sunshine and I watered it a lot. I wait and I wait. I watch it go and go. And one day, a flower comes up to say hello. Bye.
No water.